How to fix SIM card failures on Android devices. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix SIM card failures on Android devices. So if you are facing the issues like no SIM card, invalid SIM and other SIM not detected errors on Android, simply watch the video till the end. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Settings app on your device. Go ahead and open apps. Select App Management and search for SIM Toolkit app. Open it to access app info. Tap Storage Uses and tap Here Cache. Once done, you need to reinsert your SIM card and restart your phone. For that, hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve SIM detection issues. Now, you can also try updating your software. For that, go ahead and open settings again and using the search bar, you need to type in update. There you will get the option of software update. You simply need to open it and check if there is any available updates of software. So if there is any updates, you have to download and install. Lastly, if the issue persists, contact your courier for further support. That's how we can easily fix SIM card failures on Android devices. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.